Hello, this is the third concept video on linear arrangements. Now, this is not a problem as such, but this is basically a specific wording in the problem which sometimes puts people off. It says 6 people A, B, C, D, E and F sit in a row facing the same direction. The number of people on the left of A is same as the number of people to the right of B. Where do A and B sit? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if I have to read it carefully, number of people to the left of A, suppose this X people, is same as the number of people to the right of B. Okay. Now, let's see where A and B can sit. Okay. If A sits in position 1, there is nobody on the left, which means on B there should be nobody on the left, so B should be in 6. Similarly, if A sits in 2, B sits in 5. If A sits in 3, B will sit in 4. Okay, when A sits in 3, there are 2 people on the left, and if B sits, there are 2 people on the right. Now most people stop here, but it is equally possible that A sits in 4 and B sits in 3, because when A sits in 4, okay, there are 3 people on left of A, and when B sits in 3, there are 3 people to the right of him or her. Okay, so don't stop here, you need to continue with the other scenarios also. This is 5, 2 and 6, 1. Okay, just because it says A has some people on the left and B has some people on the right doesn't mean that A is on the left of B. Okay, you also need to look at the other scenarios as well. Okay, now another part which you can use to solve these problems is, now this is even number of problems. Okay, if I add a 7th person, or suppose I deduct a person, okay, A, B, this is one scenario, A, B, this is one scenario. If I put A here, B will also sit on top of A. Now this is not possible. So in odd number of cases, when you have a wording like this, number of people on the left of A is same as the number of people on the right of B, then it means that both A and B cannot sit in the middle. A third way of looking at this scenario is, whatever is the position of A from the left end, same will be the position of B from the right end. Okay, if you look at it, A is, if I put back the 6th position, if A is first from the left, B is first from the right. If A is second from the left, B is second from the right. If A is third from the left, B is third from the right. In other words, they are equidistant from the ends. Okay, please take care of this. This especially is useful when you have people sitting in and facing opposite directions, which we'll do later. Now I'll suggest go and watch the next concept video.